M3 in red. I need that in my collection, bro. that would complete it. That shit is fire. Look how clean it is in black. Dude, he has a, oh my god, dude. The loudest M3 ever. You're tripping. Dude, I thought my car was loud until I heard this dude. Those popped. I think yours is louder than mine, bro. Guys, check out what happened at the meet after we left. A Mustang comes flying. This BMW just loses control. That's embarrassing, bro. I knew that was gonna happen too. There was so many cars doing some crazy stuff.
Yeah, Mustang was all good.
And there goes the Beamer. That's destroyed, dude. It's done. We're back at Ams's house. We got a whole crowd here. I don't know if Am's gonna actually whip it today, but we're gonna take it out just to take a few photos of it. Now we got 2 wide body cars. Must be nice. Damn it, guys, now I want a wide body mine. That's crazy. Which one do you guys like better? You guys like Am's gray one or the green one? Completely different styles. He has that fat tire track setup look, and Am's is all bagged and skinny tires.
I get a picture like that.
Look how wide these things are. I like the spoiler too. I wonder how it'll look on Ams's car. Green.
The green machine.
The green machine, bro. Dude, look at this steering wheel. What if I did a carbon fiber one? Woo!
Hell yeah, bro.
It feels nice, bro. It's a suede steel.
Dude, I put it on.
It's
felt
insane,
like a new
dude.
car.
He has a shifter, which is freaking dope. I want this in the E36.
Yeah, you do.
We're about to head out to Long Beach, have a little photo shoot or something. Just get a little cruise going. Amsa is not coming, unfortunately. But we got this guy.
Hey, I'm cruising. I'm going slow. I'm beat.
We got that guy. Got that M3. So about 4 M3s. This should be cool.
Oh my god.
Bro, he's crazy. That is way too loud. We're probably gonna get pulled over today. We got a bunch of loud BMWs. That one has a big turbo. Everyone else is just straight pipe. This is not good. It literally sounds like a drive-by. Holy shit. Bro, I don't think I've ever heard a louder car, bro. going to jail. Bro, that drive was insane. I'm deaf, dude. Ow. I tried to record as much as I could. I put the GoPro on because that was the easiest way to film. But oh my God, these cars are so loud, dude. Everybody has the same tune that shoots fire, makes those loud pops. Except for his. His is 10 times louder than everybody's. Cops definitely got called because that was insane, dude. Woo. The cops. Yeah, he looks like he don't care. Alright guys, I think the homie's gonna take me for a ride in his 335. I'm pretty excited, dude. This thing's single turbo, 600 horsepower. Probably fast. Got a tablet? Dang, fancy.
I know, right?
That's dope. So it tells you everything?
Yep.
That's sick. Full race car, bro. I don't think I've been in a turbo car, bro.
Oh, you're about to...
I really don't think I have. I'm kind of scared, dude. Woo, it sounds so good. Damn. Do you wish you had an M3 or no? You like this better?
Honestly, I don't know.
I wouldn't know which one to pick, bro.
I don't know.
This
Like,
thing's sick.
M3 would be cool because it's all NA and the power band is just always there.
Turbo sounds sick. What's that do?
Traction control.
Uh-oh. I did not think it was that fast, dude.
That wasn't, dude, this is my base tune. This is not even like fully
Oh
completed
my God, dude.
This
not
is
even fast like
only 16 pounds. I'm usually running 21.
Bro, that really pulls. I want a turbo. I need a turbo the E36. It would be cool to turbo E92, but no one makes the kit for the M3. Guys, if you want to see more of this car,
Is that my car?
he has a YouTube channel.
That is? Yo, like
He has a YouTube channel. I'll put the YouTube right here, but he has this crazy 335. He went from Pennsylvania all the way to Cali. He only lives about an hour away from me now, so definitely gonna be kicking it with him a lot more often.
Hell yeah.
You want to record it? Here, record it. Give me some footage, bro. You can just record yourself. For sure.
Dude, that sounds fantastic. Holy fuck. Bro, that's like a jet. That's insane.
For me, I'm so used to it. Like,
Bro,
I think it's slow.
That's insanity. It's like you're going through a portal. It's like you're getting thrown in your seat.
It really pulls,
Bro.
dude. That shit's insane. I wanted him to experience it and show you guys.
Bro,
It's
that's
freaking
crazy.
fast. I want one now. We have a little photo shoot. I put some of the photos on the screen right here. But I think I'm gonna end the video right there. We're all gonna head home. I'm super tired. We went to that meeting at like 9 in the morning. I woke up at like 7 in the morning, dude. So I'm so freaking tired. Too many cars, too many exhaust noises, my head hurts. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button. All these cars are freaking badass. You're definitely gonna get to see more of these guys. But smash the like button, subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 20.